how to create a Smule account. So if you want to create Smule account, then first of all you need to open up your Smule application. And after opening your Smule application, simply choose a language and then tap on OK. So now you can simply log in with your Facebook, Google or your email. Simply tap on sign in with email, and here you need to enter your email address. So don't worry if you have not created your account, simply enter your email address first and then tap on next, and here it will automatically take you to create account page. If you have not registered, so simply enter a strong password and then tap on next. And now to create your profile, and after entering your username you can simply tap on continue, and then your account will be created. And after creating your account you can simply tap on sing, which is on the right side, and after that you can simply start your karaoke. So that's it. That's how you create your account on Smule. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.